Hello, hi, I'm Nitesh Pradhan, and our today's session is about file I/O. In this session, we will see how can we store the data. Yesterday, we have seen how can we create a folder, how can we create file. Today, we'll see how can we easily store the data, okay, using the file I/O. So let's start today's session. Coming to the PC, create a table, create a folder here, day 12. Open the LabVIEW. Come now, create a new VI. Press Ctrl T. Yesterday, I explained how can we store the text data in text file or DOC file. Today, I will show you how can we store the signals. Suppose here I am using right click in the block diagram, come into the signal processing, come into the waveform generator, come into the basic function generator, place here. Right click, open the label. When you will press Ctrl H, so you will get to know what is required. So right click, create a control. Again right click, create a indicator, control. Now we have two controls, and controls are numeric types. Controllers are numeric type, right? We have these two controls. Just a second. Now drag this and replace here. Right click or replace with the knob. Now you can see it is frequency. Right click or replace frequency. Now press Ctrl A, Ctrl U. You can zoom your block diagram as per your requirement. Right click, come here, right click in the front panel, take a waveform graph and place here. Make a connection like this. Using this program, you can easily able to generate a signal. Now you can see we are getting a proper signal. Program stop. I want to store this data. Hmm. Control A, Control U. Right click on the block diagram. Just a second. My system is lagging. I don't know why. Let me check here. Let's close this one and restart again. Right click, come into signal processing, take a waveform graph, take here, place, right click, create an indicator, create control to make a amplifier, sorry, yes, amplitude, and right click, create one more tunnel or controller to get frequency. Now you can see here, we're easily able to create two controls for the amplitude and frequency. You can right click into the amplitude and frequency. You can replace the particular item. You can replace the particular item and you can easily able to use it. Right click, you can come into the graph and you can take a waveform graph and you can place here. Now, if you want, so you can come here and you can zoom it, make a complete program like this, and you will able to generate a signal. Now I want to store this data. So for that, right click, come into the file IO. This is light measurement file. It is a high level VI. Open this light measurement file and place here. Okay. Now when you will open this right measurement file and you will place here, you will you will automatically get this uh, configure window. Inside the configure window, you can see here, I am going to find out the particular location where I want to save. Click here, then it will redirect me anywhere of my computers. So I will try to find the proper location, and my location is day 12. Inside the day 12, text file name is text by default. Okay, whenever you will take this right to measurement file and you will place it in the block diagram, automatically you will get this configure right to measurement file. It is a high level VI. That's why everything you will get here. Now, their defined format are available. Format is LVM, binary TDMS, LVM LabVIEW measurement, transmitted data measurement streaming, here binary TDM and Excel. You can click here Excel. Now, here time you required time one channel only, time per channel only. I will suggest you to click time one channel only. Now here overwrite and save multiple file, multiple write, all these things are here. No need to do anything, just place the OK button. Then make a connection like this. After that you will, now it's a program to write or to store the data in Excel, okay, in Excel file, data as Excel file in your specific location. Now I am going to run the program. Now you can see here, it's created a text file and we are getting the particular text information here. In this text information, you can see here we are getting the date and time. It is today's date and time we are getting properly. General, in place of the general, no. Today's time, no. Short time, yeah. It is today's time, today's date, and it is my that sign signal. Clear. So it is a way to store the data. Now press Ctrl S, save. WRITE, write, MEASUR. In this way you can store your live data, right measurement file I had created. Now here I am going to create one more things. Let's suppose here I am going to create the LVM file, LabVIEW measurement file, and press the OK button. Press the OK button. Now you will get the LVM file, LabVIEW data in the LVM file. It is LabVIEW LVM file. In this LVM file, now let's try to read the data from this LVM file. In the particular LVM file, the data are available or not. Let's try to read. So for that, press Ctrl N and create a new VI. Right click in the block diagram, come into the file IO, take read measurement file. Using the read measurement file, you can target any file from your computer and you can easily read. Here I am going to click and target the particular file. Inside the day12, this one text.lvm file is available. I had targeted that lvm file. I had targeted that lvm file. Okay. Now I want to use relative time to measurement start. Let's take just click OK button. Right click, come here, take away from graph and place here. After that, you will get the run the program. Now you can see we are getting the same value which we had generated earlier. Suppose there is a one program. This one is the program. I am going to update slightly in this program. Right click, create control. Now here I am going to change. Suppose my signal is square signal. Run the program, and because this program this program has in this program we are using a right measurement file. That's why our system is able to store the data. Using this program, I am able to use the read measurement file. So this program has capability to read the data from my stored location. Okay, write the program, run the program. So now you can see here, if I will change the frequency, suppose I am changing the frequency here. So frequency is near about the 5, more than 4 is near to the 5. So now you can see the signal is with the same. So it will be give you the same signal. In that way you can able to store the data. So and the same way you can able to read the previous stored the data. Now here I am going to click. Let's try to find the absolute date and time. Now, absolute date and time, whatever the date and time is mentioned here, whatever the date and time is mentioned here, we can easily able to read the date and time. Here I am going to show you. Okay, the date and time is 8:31. Sorry, 8:30. Sorry, 16:30. Sorry, 6:32. Another. So we are getting the absolute time. Time has been updated. Specifically, you will get the time updated time here. Clear? You can double click and open it, and you can change the relative times, and you can you will get the normal signal. Suppose here if I'm using this appendant. Okay, appendant file means whatever the data right now I'm writing. Suppose here I have written this data and run. So we are getting now after that I'm going to run the sine wave and update. So previously in the same file, we had stored the square value. After that sine value, let's try to run it. Sorry, what happened? Why it's not working? Sine wave. Okay, this any file. Double click and open. Mhm. Just a second. Why it's not working? Okay, let's see if there any other possibilities are there. Mm, that's I want to check. Mm, run. I I am expecting. mm, okay, let's see. Let's try to select this program text dot. Okay, appendant. Here I am going to write the program first. Run. Let's check here. Sinusoidal. Okay, square. Sorry, square update. Let's try to update it. Yeah, I want to see this kind of the data. In a half of the signal will be a square, okay, and half signal should be a sine waveform. That's I want to check. So come here, dot LVM, okay, run the program, run the program, triangular. Why it's not working? If there is any problem, these are not correct. These are the my sinusoidal signal. Mm, why it's not updating? The file name is text LVM here. Text LVM. Okay, it's again not updating, na? Sawtooth. Okay, let's check. I will work on this case and we'll see what is the problem is going here. Why it's not updating? It should update if here I am. Mhm. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Let's suppose come here. It's the overwrite. I know that it's the overwrite. Okay. Please note this example, this question. We'll discuss later again. So now this is a way to store the data in our the signals. So it is write measurement file, save it, and here I'm going to save the program read measurement file. Now here I'm going to look at here. Here I am creating one new text file. New text file. Okay. New one. Let's open this new one. Okay. In this new one, here I am going to put sun, Sunday, Monday, day, Wednesday, 6. Okay, few numbers we have written here. Now I'm going to save this program. Save as. I'm going to save this program. Save as .csv. .csv, comma delimited, comma delimited, comma delimited. Okay, and here comma delimited. Now here I am going to save this program one more time. Save new to. In this new to, here I am going to put insert one day value 1. Save it. New 3. So I have new 1, new 2, new 3, new 4. New 1, new 2, new 3. Three data type, three data sets I have. Okay, sir. Now come into the lab view. Open your lab view. Come into the file IO. Press Ctrl T. Right click in the block diagram. Come into the file IO. You will get read delimited spreadsheet. Read delimited spreadsheet. Take the read delimited spreadsheet here. Now I want to delimited spreadsheet. Press Ctrl H. In this delimited spreadsheet, the first one is format. Right click, click, right click, create constant. Sorry. Right click, create. Okay, letter will do. Whatever. Now create a control. First one is control. File path. You can replace it by using this beautiful path. Now, okay. Now that's it only. I'm not going to do any extra things. Create. Here I'm going to change it string and then create constant %s. Here in below section, here in the below section there is delimiters. Create constant delimiters. Clear. Right click there, Control H, you will get all rows and first row. Create control, create indicator. Sorry, create indicator. In that way, you can call, in that way, you can easily. Now, if you will try to run the program, so it will give you some error. It will give you one error. Create indicators. What error we are expecting? Run, because the file is not given here. The dedicated resources is not addressed. That's why we are getting this error. That's why we are getting this error. So we need to address the proper dedicated resource here. Clear? So for that, click here and new one.csv. Run the program. New one.csv. You can see here we are getting all the data in only one column, and which is not a okay perfect program. We are getting all the data in only one column. Sorry, one row, and that is not a correct program. Why? Because in this delimiters, the location of delimiters is empty. If you will put here comma, now you will get the proper data. Now you can see you will get the proper data here. Hmm. So now we are getting the proper data. Suppose you want to, suppose you want only, suppose you want only the Sunday data. You want only the Sunday data. So how can you break down it? Right click, come into the array, take index array functions. When we were discussing about array, at that day I explained it is two-dimensional array. I need only data from, I need the data from data of Sunday. So here I have to come into the index column, and I have to create a control. Now my controls. Hmm, create indicator. Look at here. Run the program. We are getting the keyword. We are getting the value from Sunday. If I will change the index, we are getting the value of Monday, because this index number 02, index number 2 is common for all this row. Index number 3 is common for Wednesday. Index number 4 is common for Thursday. 0, okay, 0 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. So we can easily able to break down. For more understanding, let's come here and take new to new to. Keep here error beside, reduce the size. Run the program. Now you can see here we have the day one. We have the day one. Suppose you want only value. Suppose you want only value 0. Suppose you want only value 0, sorry, value 1. Then right click, come here, insert array, take, index array, make a connection like this. Create a row value, create control, create indicator, run the value. Now you can see here we are getting only this data. Sorry, I have done this mistake. Control B. Sorry. Create, control, run. Now you can see here we are getting only the day Sunday another. If I will change it 1, so I will get the value. I will get the value for this one, value 0, value 0. Now my okay. In that way you can break down your any signal. After that, look at here. I'm going to delete all this functionality. I'm going to delete this error function also from this location. In this, Control H. Number of row. Number of row is here. Look at here. Start to read. Maximum limit. Number of all rows. Okay, number of all row. Start to read. Offset. Let's try to set here. Create. Control. Run. Offset is 0. Offset is 1. So its offset is 1. Offset is 1 means here now you can see in this location it's omit the day D, clear. So it is not that much useful. I'm going to delete this one. Right click, create, control. If it is 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 row. So it is also you can use. Right click, come into the array, take array subset. Array subset. There is function array subset. Place the array subset. Index 0, index 0. I have made 2 index 0. Now I am going to use same function here. Let's try to make index 1, index 1. We are getting all the numeric data only. We are getting all the numeric data. Right click, come here, come to the string, come to the string conversion, number to decimal string. Yeah, don't take this one. Number to, okay, decimal string to number. Take it one, try to convert it if possible. Yes. Now it will give you the array. Which one? This one will give you the array. Now I am going to uh, reduce the size. Sorry, create indicator. Are you able to see the indicator? Sorry. Now we are getting all the data. Yeah. Yes. So if you are ready to fight with me and want to know, sir, if I will convert it into the integer here, if I will convert here, integer here, in place of string, in place of string, if I will select the data as an integer, then also it will work. If you are thinking like that, sorry, Control Z, Control B, Control B. Okay. If you think like that, then also it's fine. It's completely, totally fine. Why? Because you are thinking based on your own concern. So what change will appear here? Let's try to check. Programmatically, if you will try to convert it, Control B, suppose, create constant, okay, for binary, sorry, for integer, run. Now you can see it's it is providing you 0000 for all the string value. So yeah, it is a, if you are aware, if you are aware, here all the data of the string, or all, sorry, all the data of your Excel sheet, us.csv file, are 100% data are your Excel data. 100% data are your sorry, numeric data or integer data. Then use this integer function, either process with the string value. Yeah, just a second.
When you saved the measurement value in LabVIEW measurement file,
Hmm.
is it also possible to add some cluster data? For example, uh, what describing the data, what it is, which instrument it is, etc. The name of the person taking the measurement, those things. Can we save in the LVM format?
We
L-
can save it, just we can save it into the LVM format. We can save, definitely. Save. Just a second. Okay. Now here I am going to not here I am not going to close the proper data. Right click, Control and Control T. Okay. Right click, come here. Right click and come here. Right, delimited spreadsheet here. Right, delimited spreadsheet is here. Earlier was the read. There is also a polymorphic VI which you can open it. Right click, come here, press Control H, and if you want, so you can click and you can check. The top one is format. The second one is file path, 2D array data, 1D array data. Right click, come here, take a string path. Right click, browse options, file or existings. Clear? Right click here, no new data .csv, no new data .csv. Clear, sir? Data is the double size. The data is the double size. Right click, case structure, two case structures, random number generators. Outer loop will run 4 times, inner loop will run 3 times, and it will generate 3 x 4 size of array. Two-dimensional array data. 2D data I am storing. Let's come here, open the location, run the program. No new data is here. Double click and open it. Here we are getting data like this. What is the problem here? What is wrong with this data? Only the wrong thing is with this data is here the delimiters. Here the delimiters are not defined.
We have to put a constant comma.
Yeah, you have to put a constant comma. Comma. Then run the program. It will rewrite. Now, in this way, you can save this data. Suppose I want to add, I have one string array constant. Change to the array. Just a second, sir. Okay. Sir, I am searching that option. If I will get, so I will let you know, sir. Hmm. Here I am going to save day one, day one, day two, day three, day one, day two, day three. I want to insert this before this one. Let's try. How can I insert, sir? there's any way to insert before this one? Because it's string. So let's try to convert it into the string. Control B first. Okay, let's try to convert. Come here, string, string, number to fractional string. Take the functions. Convert this number to fractional string. Now it's a 2D array. Yeah, I'm going to use this program till that time. Create indicator. So here we'll get the string data. Clear? We're getting this data in the string format. Clear? Now if I will use build array functions, build array, and this one, then what will work? So it will work or not? Yeah, it's working. Suppose I am using array 2. This array 2 will be the value 1, value 2, value 3. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Then can I insert? How can I insert it? Come here. Yeah, column. So if I will convert, okay, if you are thinking if we'll break down it, increase it like the column, and if I will add it, before that, so it is not a correct thing. Now you can see before the value I have to, okay, now it is not a correct way. Now before the value I need a day. Right click, current data operations, insert element before, and here I will put day and day slash value I had inserted. If I will run, we'll get here. So it is not a correct way. Sorry, day value. So it is now, it's not a correct programming. So what else? Let's come to the string. Is array to spread, array to spreadsheet, array to spreadsheet. Take array to spreadsheet. Format is here. Create constant percent s percent s delimiters. Later we'll discuss. Create indicator. Run. How it's we are getting? Great. Control B. Delimiters. If I will connect here, it will not work. Create constant comma. No, again it will not work. Then how can we able to insert it? Hmm. Now let's there is one beautiful concept is again try. Take one more same function, comma delimited respects it. Control B. I am going to transpose this one here. There is one function and the function is transpose. Create constant. Yes, transpose. Clear? Then let's make a connection. String. Sorry. String data. Control B. 2D. Create append constant. True. Uh, there is anything wrong? Yeah. Run the program. Come here. No new data. Still, we are not able to find get the proper solution. I am going to back again. Here, run the program. We are not again getting. So now what we can do here? Okay, look at here. I'm not going to transpose it. Sorry, let's transpose it here. And after that, true. Now it's not working properly.
Sir, first transpose, then build array, then again retranspose. Then we can get it back, I think.
First transpose, then
Then build array in the same way, previous way, how we added the first row,
this
and
one.
and then again retranspose back to display it correctly.
Okay, let's try to use this one. Here, break down, break it. Control break it. Okay, take one more file here. Try to run. But okay, VI is open. Okay, run the program and let's come here and try to check. No data. It's easily able to. mm, But I want to set this data from here, from this location. So there is any other way? Mhm. अरे तुम जाओ अभी यहाँ से. Run, 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 run. No, we are not able to find the particular solution. Okay. Hmm. Come here. Delete this one. Delete this one. Control B. Array 1, array 2. You go. Come here. Hmm. Now, right click. Create a array. 2D array. Right click. Come here. Insert into a array. Okay. Row. Row number 0. So which one will be my row? This will be my row. Sorry. This will my column. Create constant. Create. Let's try to work out. What happened here? In place of day value, value, we are getting only this one. Okay, so what output I am getting here? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, Praveen sir and Vipul sir, please try because using the previous one we cannot try to solve the problem. We can easily able to try. We can easily able to solve the problem using this way. Control B, Control B. This is the only way. If you will think I can use this way, so definitely you will get this answer. Create a indicator. Sorry. If you will transpose it, and after that, if you will try to search, put something here, then you will get the data like this. Then you can again transpose the data. So you're not getting the proper data value data. Okay. Here we need value 4. Definitely value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4. Okay, okay. VALUE value 4. Sorry. Okay. Now you can control A, control U, and let's insert your data. Here, delete control B, control A, control U, and run. Come here, double click and open. Clear, sir? So there are so many possible way to come out or to bring the data in a correct manner. So thank you for joining me, listening me. Uh, Today we'll discuss about the basic data acquisition